Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Harvard Online step by step clearly. Visit the official Harvard University website. Navigate to the Online Learning section on the homepage. Explore the various online programs offered by Harvard. Select the specific program that interests you. Read the program details, including course content and duration. Check the prerequisites for the program you wish to enroll in. Determine if the program is free or fee-based. Sign up for an account on the Harvard Online platform if required. Complete any necessary application materials as indicated. Submit your application by the specified deadline. Wait for confirmation of your enrollment status. Once accepted, log in to your account. Familiarize yourself with the course interface. Review the syllabus and course materials provided. Schedule time for your online classes. Engage actively in discussion forums and group activities. Reach out to instructors or peers for assistance when needed. Complete all assignments and assessments as per the timeline. Stay updated on any announcements from your course instructors. Evaluate your progress throughout the course. Upon completion, download your certificates if applicable. Consider joining Harvard-related online networks or alumni groups for future opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.